What's going on, everybody? We're out here at the Yadkin River Angus farm doing a little shooting. We thought we'd bring you a little Tannerite video. If you've never seen Tannerite before, it's pretty fun and interesting. Paul and I love to shoot it.
Very fun, very explosive.
Yeah, if you want to take some anger out, go shoot some Tannerite.
Yes.
It's good stuff. And we're
Be
going to show you how to
safe
do
while doing it, though. Always be safe while doing it.
Safety first is key. Paul, you want to show them how this whole thing goes down?
So when we unravel
Package
this, top off.
So pretty much what this is ammonium nitrate going into fertilizer. And
Mixture and
once you mix them two together, it's pretty explosive. But
bombs a bomb.
you have to pass a round through it for it to explode. Put the cap on, you shake it up. You want to make sure that that gray powder slides through all that.
3 hours later.
Just a couple minutes later is all it takes. Couple shakes. And another key part of this is some pistol rounds won't go through this fast enough to make it explode. I like shooting my AR through it, 223 round. Pretty fun to shoot a 223 round through it and easy, but anything can go through it, just needs to be moving fast enough. 44 pistol will not work. I tried that once, didn't work. Well, we got a couple different options here. We've got a 338 Edge.
Look at that thing.
Big cannon over here with the Phone Skope set up on it.
It can go through a bear.
Yeah, it's a pretty beast round. This is the round that it shoots. I don't know if we're going to shoot that or my Daniel Defense 308. Probably end up shooting the Daniel Defense 308. We'll see.
I didn't see it because it. Whoa.
What?
I thought I couldn't see her hit because like the camera still. It was like woo.
See that stump over there?
Where that tree is?
That broken down stump?
Yeah.
That might be the best. Perfect. I'm going to say you can almost see it better through this. Where's your phone scope from your, oh, it's right there, the phone. And you can just sit it right here. Just need a couple spacers to get the height right. Use that box or something.
All right.
You got it?
Yeah.
On the one on the right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, I'm shooting this 338 Edge, 200 yards, steel target here. Haven't shot in a while, so we'll see if it connects in the rain.
Got it!
Oh my gosh, that steel target wrapped all the way around and ended up on top of the rebar.
Oh!
That was a center punch.
Nice shot.
Quick overview here. Paul's first shot with the big cannon 338 Edge. He's going to see if he can shoot the Tannerite. Probably about 100 yards here. Not that hard of a shot, but let's see what he's got. You gonna load it?
Yeah. Where's the?
Your bullet's already in it.
Oh, okay.
Let me put the safety on. Right where it says Moab on the bottom of it should be good.
All right.
Boom! Boom! Good shooting, Tex.
Come on.
Thing's got a little kick to her,
Yeah,
huh?
it does. It's fun to shoot, though. I like that thing.
What'd you think of that, boss?
Pretty cool.
Blew a little bit of the stump off.
We're gonna see it all right here.
All right.
Boom! sucks, man. It took a lot of that tree out.
Boom! Oh, gotcha.
All right, we're getting ready to have a Tannerite shoot-off, AR style. I'm shooting a 308. Paul's shooting a 223. We got 50, 75, and 100. Hopefully we shoot pretty good. I've been struggling with this a little bit, but we'll be all right. You ready?
Paul is going to win.
I'm going stand-up. I feel pretty confident about it. I think I'll get him.
We'll see. Here goes nothing. You guys count it down.
On 3, 2, 1.
My cap just busted. Here's one.
Austin's at 2. Gotta wait for the smoke.
Can I shoot his in time? Does that count?
No.
I'm hitting right on it.
I can't see it. Come on. Smoke's killing me.
I mean, I'm hitting right on it.
Got it. It flared. You're shooting in front of it, dummy. I'll shoot yours for you. Hey! He hit one.
That was dead center.
I can't see anything.
Jeez! He can't take daddy.
Couldn't see anything.
Excuses, excuses. I knew where it was through the smoke. That was kind of cool. Oh, it's got it all on here. Look at it. The smoke on the grass. Yeah,
At first,
the flame.
that one was a big explosion.
Safety first, guys. That's the biggest thing about all this. Safety first. Thank Daniel Defense for this awesome 308 rifle that just kicked Paul Swan's butt. This gun is an awesome machine. Got the Realtree camo on it. A lot of fun out here. Just always be safe when you're shooting. Keep the gun barrels downrange. Safety's on. Ear protection. Big part of it all. So thanks, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you next week.